What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to draw support and resistance levels on Quotex. Here we are on Quotex and we just logged in as you will when it's your turn, and what we need to do is to come over to our chart as you can see right here, and if you're not here you can click on trade. Trade can be found at the top left area, clicking on trade and you'll see your pair. Of course so you can choose the pair you want to choose, and we're currently on pound USD, and what we need to do is to come over to where you have the pen or pencil icon. Click on it and you're going to look for a horizontal line. So you can click on horizontal line and you can see right there. Now before you do that, you might want to close this up, click on the X right here, and then zoom out to get a better picture. We did that by clicking on Control and using our scroll wheel on our mouse to zoom in or out. You need to do this in order to have a better view of your chart. So we have resistance here, and we also have support here, and this is also resistance, which of course can be a support later. So we're going to come over to the pen or pencil icon. We're going to call it a pen icon, and then we're going to come over to horizontal line. And as we click on it, you can see it appears here automatically. So we're going to click on the X to close this up to have a better view of our chart, and we're going to look for the area again. So we just move our line right here to just sit around this area. Right? And of course, if you want to duplicate it, because we're just drawing a support for this and this area right here, you can click on copy and it's automatically copied it. It won't be showing right now because it's copied on the same place. So you just need to go over there, click and drag up because there are two right now and they've been separated. So here you have your support and your resistance. If we zoom in, you can see this is support and this is resistance. So you can go ahead and continue reading your chart here on Quotex. So this is how to draw support and resistance levels on Quotex.